She came in and we were just kind of like overwhelmed by her top. You know, it's such a beautiful top. We took some pictures and the response was so nice. You know, and I wanted to hook her up with maybe Yoko Hara or somebody like that because she was in town. And instead, you know, I had her email, so I asked her whether she wouldn't mind coming to the store and showing us her work, and she said that she'll be happy to do it. And we're just very happy to have her here. She's trained. She's here for only a week. Until the 18th.
Thanks to her, who is now one of my best friends, believed in my talent and invited me here. Well, I'm
work like that, and then you do the mesh. Does that hold it in place, or do you have to actually sew your strings, you know, when you're making these shapes before the mesh is done, so it doesn't roll?
Oh, that's the red.
So it's quite elegant.
Very.
That's what I also like.
Oh,
It's not Irish, it's just large motifs.
But beautiful.
Without breaking. No, I mean, you stitch it at sides.
Yeah.
So you don't make 100 motifs and then stitch together. You make one after another. Yes, exactly. Also, that's sleep. Sleep or without sleep, I don't know. After your modesty.
What is slip on? It's good. Your mother will be thanking you.
That's how good.
And the back is open water.
Yeah, more open. That's it.
The shawl is bigger than I thought when I see it on somebody. I thought it's really a shawl.
Yes.
It's a big piece.
It's quite big.
Yeah.
It may be used as also matches to any kind of
Gorgeous.
Now it's stuff.
Yeah.
This is also very convenient and useful shawl, which can be used as
shawl.
when you stitch it under your sleeves, it can be bolero. So do as you want. It's now it's shawl.
Oh, that's
That's
nice.
also why all the flowers. So I like
How do you make this one? That's a different flower. I've never seen anything quite like that.
That's three stages inside.
Yeah.
It's 3 steps. First is bigger one.